A truly rugged phone certificated to highest IP68-69K protection grade is tough enough to be survived in various harsh environments. The sturdy and indestructible body is able to withstand heavy rains, drops, dust and sand. It is the best partner for construction workers and outdoor explorers. Made of premium material and reinforced on four corners, make your Armor X8i totally can keep away from violent crash, rolling and torsion. The stoppers on charging port, SIM card slot and earphone jack let your phone isolate from water, dust, dirt and other impurities as much as possible. Enjoy photos, films, games, videos and more in the 5.7 full view screen which can offer incredible visual immersion. 18:9 aspect ratio and HD plus resolution make stunning multimedia show true colors and details. You can enjoy a visually pleased experience all the time. Designed with a custom key that can be programmed to 6 different function shortcuts or quickly start any other app you preset. It is configured to activate the Zello application by default. With the help of this function, you can enjoy efficient and cost-effective communications without any problems. Packs a digital outdoor toolbox including many practical gadgets such as e-compass, magnifier, height meter and etc. Just carry with your Armor X8i, you can move forward and explore the beauty of the world with confidence. The touch capabilities are enhanced under gloves mode. Keep your gloves on when receiving a call during work. Get more done without wasting time on taking off gloves. Android 11 brings much needed privacy and security features alongside exciting UI changes. Runs on the latest Android 11 OS, Armor X8i is more dynamic and easier to use. Now, you can enjoy useful improvements in your phone. Armor X8i incorporates with powerful 12nm octa-core processor coupled with 3GB of RAM, allowing you to perform multitask smoothly and fluently without pressure. Your memorable photos and videos can be easily saved with 32GB ROM. Bump up the memory with a 256GB TF card to create unlimited storage.